In the quiet of the night, I cry. Tears they flow, but I don't know why. The words are lost, they fade away. Perhaps it's what I cannot say. Every drop tells a story untold of broken dreams and memory souls. River of pain flows deep inside. The silent tears I cannot hide. Silent tears, they fall like river, washing away my hidden pain. Through the dark, they find their way, speaking the words I cannot say. In your absence, the world feels cold. These tears carry secrets I've never told. I smile, but it's still so. Behind the memory I know, no one sees, no one hears the soundless cry of the silent tears. In the flow, I am set free. I follow path who I know always be. Silent tears, they fall like rain, washing away my hidden pain. Through the dark, they find their way, speaking their words I cannot say. But in these tears, their strength I find. They cry power, a peace of mind. They carry my pain, but also my fight, guiding me through the longest life. When the old breeze still disappear, but the truth remains crystal clear. Through the pain I hate to fear, silent tears that help me here.